How do you get people excited about your launch?
Social media posts?
Press releases?
Ads?
Sure, but if you really want to grab attention, nothing does it like video.
At Studio 281, we make it easy to create high-impact launch videos with our 4 versatile filming zones.
Build buzz before launch day with a podcast. Podcasting gives you a platform to build a loyal audience, position your brand as a thought leader, and create anticipation.
So when your launch goes live, you've already got an engaged audience just waiting to buy.
Intrigued customers don't want bland elevator pitches. They want the why behind it. Tell them your why with a talking head video.
Share how it was inspired and how it helps your customers, all in an authentic way. It's real, it's personal, and it'll make people want to be part of your launch.
This idea can get a little complex, so let me write it out for you.
It isn't just about the hype. Show how your product solves a real problem. Whiteboard videos make it simple. You'll walk through features and show how it stacks up against the competition.
Because when people get it, they're way more likely to want it. Launch day is your moment. Show it live. With our webcam zone, you'll host a live launch event, demo key features, and answer questions on the spot. Going live makes your launch feel less like a pitch and more like an experience that people want to be a part of. Plus, you get real-time feedback from early adopters.
Launching a product or service is a big moment. Don't just tell people about it, show them with video. Getting started at Studio 281 is easy. Step 1, schedule your free consultation. Step 2, attend your filming session. Step 3, watch your launch get the attention it deserves.